one of these is not like the other. Look how clean these two are. This guy, on the other hand, is not so clean. But I'm over here at RC Madness again. I want to be able to get this in before it rains. But before I get these dirty, just got to show them off one last time. And Harold's actually going to be coming here in a bit and joining me for a little bash session. But yeah, look at that. They both have the matching red rocket fans. Red rocket. Maybe I'll just call them the rocket fans instead. And I'll be able to try out these AW machining shock towers front and rear that I put on Adam at AW Machining. If you didn't see that video, please check it out. He's got some awesome aluminum 70-75 parts for Kratons, Outcasts. He's got them for Mojaves, all different things. So check out his store. It's on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. I'll start with the dirty one just in case it is a mud fest here. Whoop. This is the one I did some huge sends with last time, this EXB. Ooh. These are hard landings, guys. Right on the pile. These are hard landings. These trucks, they're tough. They really take a lot. Anyone who says Armas are not tough, well, I don't know what they're talking about. Because these things take some abuse. Try this little guy here. There we go. Why'd I do that? Sounds a little funny. Something's up. Dang. That was a hard hit. There's that chassis slap. Ah. Try it again, front flip. Dang it. It always goes sideways. Yes. Yes, finally. Haha. Ooh. Pushing my luck. Alright, I broke it. The mod finally broke. Let's see how it broke. Alright, so, the arm actually did not break. The pin did. So it actually, so the mod did work still, even though super hard hits in the back. Everyone can see that. The arm is intact here, but the pin is done for. Drive shaft, there it is.
In the morning I said, hey, that's perfect because
yeah,
I got church in the afternoon, you know, and then
okay.
but you beat me for a few inches, and I think it was the system. So
this is Harold's Kraton with lots of mods. Hobby wing, is that Max 6?
Yep.
And a 1650?
Yep.
Nice. That is very good. And he's got the N2C shock towers here, and this one has the AW machining shock towers, so it'll be a comparison between the two.
Oh, yeah.
See if one breaks. Hopefully none of them break.
Yep.
Probably not. They're both pretty tough. Oh no, are you serious?
Yeah. That's short jump. Something happened there.
Oh no. You gotta be kidding me. This day so far. So first you forgot the batteries, then this. I woke up, one of my batteries was bad, a brand new battery. Had a cell that was bad. So I told Harold, he got here early and then realized he forgot his lipos. So then he came home, got these trucks, and now this happens. One of those days you gotta just roll with the punches. What? Something happened. Fan cable came out. But that shouldn't stop the truck. Unless it just got too hot.
Okay.
Alright.
So round 2.
Yep, Harold's back. Round 2. Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
See if we can get some good luck now. As I crash it and break it immediately. Ooh. Smack. Oh. Didn't mean to jump up there. This is tacky dirt now. It's not as dusty because of the water. That's good. Good for grip. Huh. Boom. Here comes Harold. Ooh, good save. Good save. Don't want to destroy it. I'll get it. I feel like I'm getting swarmed by bugs over here.
Huh?
There's a lot of bugs.
Oh yeah.
All right, I want to wait for you. Oh, big loop. Big. Wow. Nice. The body keeps popping in the front. So the old body I had did not do this. I broke that and then got this new one, and it's one of those ones that pop off. So that's what I was saying a long time ago. People are saying the bodies always pop off, or no they don't. Well, that's because each one's a little bit different. So depending on which one you get from the factory, I think it's gonna depend on how it stays on or pops off. You guys could probably see these bugs. They're, God, they're insane. You gotta maybe get away from the grass. They're gnats or something. Black flies. Oh, it's in my ear. Nice. Oh my God. That was the closest. Jesus. Wow, he's a maniac. You were this close to crashing. We gotta do that in slow-mo. See how close you were. Oh, That was the latest backflip known to man. Top, God, stay on. This is getting annoying. Oops, sorry. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, I landed back on you. But I landed back on top of you. There we go. That was funny. All right, we're doing a little destruction derby out here. Nice. That's the dreaded sound, pinion. Tighten up the pinion and give it a little bit more rip, because as you can see, we've got storms coming. So we'll see how much more time we get out of it. Okay guys, on second thought, I'm going to run the Notorious instead of that, because our buddy Harold is also going to run his Notorious, so it kind of match each other here. Oh no! Bro, are you kidding? His pinion. Oh. The steering seems off on this. What's up with it? God. Oof. Yes, there we go. Ah. Don't record this, it's no good. It's a little better. Oh, no steering, nope. I got no power. This may be a sign.
Oh yeah.
Sign from God. Just stop now. And it's starting to rain. No, that's good, it's just the battery. There we go. Got to end with a cool thing. All right guys, thanks for watching another episode of Bashing with HR and IC. We will, I'm sure, be back soon, and hopefully the weather will be a little better. So until next time, see ya.